Cortijo Belicena by ARQUITECTOS Juan García Nofuentes and Roser Martinez in Belicena, Spain. We are facing a building from the beginning of the last century, typical of the Vega de Granada, built in a rudimentary way with load-bearing walls and a gable roof on a wooden structure. The complex is developed around two L-shaped bodies, open to a central courtyard and another one at the back where the swimming pool is currently located. The functional program involves a comprehensive rehabilitation of one of the existing bodies to implement a program for two independent single-family homes with two different programs. The ground floor of one of the houses, the largest one, is intended for social and celebratory activities directly related to the central courtyard and the pool. At the construction level, the interior of the entire building is emptied, reinforcing the existing foundation and consolidating load-bearing walls. Then, the new wooden floors are incorporated as an analogy to the original construction. Both houses are articulated through open living areas on the ground floor, where the more public program is developed with direct contact with the central courtyard, locating the private areas on the first floor, which are accessed through separate stairs. The materiality of the entire intervention strives to preserve the vernacular character of the original construction, maintaining the exposed load-bearing walls and the sloping roof, and recovering the ceramic lattices as elements for solar control and ventilation. Together with the high thermal inertia of the existing perimeter walls, this promotes thermal comfort inside. Finally, the interior partitions that organize the program are executed with a materiality that is differentiated from the pre-existing elements, so that the before and after of the intervention can be appreciated at all times.